Hello and welcome to Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Bazar. Today I am going to share a Pahari recipe, tribal recipe you can say. That is a recipe from Bazar area. The name of the recipe is chicken Goppa. The recipe name is very funny. The origin what I think that is from Garo tribals, and that is from Meghalaya or the hill area. They used to do a recipe that is Do'o Kappa. So it's a kind of you can say oil-free chili chicken. You can say that. In this recipe always you have to use the chicken with skin, because the oil what we say that is or fat that will come from the chicken skin. And in the main difference is in Garo recipe, the Do'o Kappa, they are using cooking soda, and in this recipe, this Bazar area recipe, they are not using the cooking soda. But when I tried the Do'o Kappa recipe, I found if you are adding the cooking soda a bit, it will be better in taste. So that is why in this recipe you can say a little bit of fusion. So I added that cooking soda as well. So do try this recipe, and in the description box there is a surprise. What is the surprise of Do'o Kappa? You have to check the description box and the link as well. So let's start the cooking. In this recipe I am using chicken pieces, curry cut and chicken wings both with skin. Without skin this recipe won't be possible, as I said. So either you can try it only with chicken wings, or you can use the curry cut with skin. So let's start the recipe. To prepare chicken Goppa recipe, which is a recipe from hill, and basically it's a Garo recipe, but in Bazar, Bangladesh area, the recipe is little bit of different. So the Garo recipe is already I shared. I'll put the link in the description box, and this is the version of Bangladesh Bazar. So the same thing I have the chicken, and this is with skin chicken. As it's zero oil recipe, so the oil will come up from the chicken skin. And what else I have? So this is the chicken. I have small pieces, as I'm not using any oil or anything, so it will be small pieces. And then I have lots of sliced onion, ginger paste, parsley, salt, and I'm using only one chili. But in this recipe you can use 10 to 15 chilies, because this is too much chili and I cannot have the chili, so I just reduce it. So in a kadai I'll add the slices of onion, and then the ginger paste, and I'll add the chili as well, the big one, and then I will mix it well at first. So mixing will be done, and then I will switch on the gas. And now I will add the salt as well, and then I'll fry a bit. In the Garo recipe they use cooking soda. So in this recipe I will add the cooking soda. That will enhance the taste, but that will be later on. So first I will just fry it, and then I will add the chicken, and then mix it well, and that will be in medium heat. And now I will add some water. So that is, as I said, no oil. So the water is there, and I'll mix it well again, and then I will cover it till they're done. And now I have to check if it's done or not. So carefully I will open the lid. What I can see, the chicken cooked well, and at this point of time I will add a pinch of cooking soda. It's not baking powder, but the cooking soda, just a pinch of that. In the Garo recipe the name of the recipe is Do'o Kappa. There they don't use the onion, but in this Bangladeshi recipe they use the onion. So I'm just balancing in between that. So I'm adding this cooking soda and I will cook for a couple of minutes. There won't be any gravy, that will be little bit fried. Kind of say, you can say oil free chili chicken. So I will cook it couple of minutes. Again, lid on. The smell I can feel this is really nice. You can see the color is changing. It's a little bit of greenish. It's not because the chili, but after I added the cooking soda, the color is changing. So it will be a green color. If you are adding del chili or bhoot jholakia, that will be much more spicy and hotter. So it's up to you. If you want to use that, you can use it. In the original recipe, they always have the spicy, the tikha one. But I am using in with this one chili, and the recipe will be done very soon. And now you can see the gravy is reduced, so I'll switch off the gas. My chicken goppa recipe is done. So this is the tribal recipe I have done, and you must check another recipe, the Garo recipe, chicken kappa as well. In the description box you can get the link. So subscribe my channel, YouTube channel Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu for such recipes, or you can go through Facebook page Madhurima's Kitchen, or even you can connect me in Instagram Madhurima's Kitchen. And for food order you can check Madhurima's Kitchen in Zomato. So the recipe I am going to enjoy with roti or plain rice. Do try both of the recipe and let me know what else you want to see from me. And thank you for watching Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu.